everything. Friends, families. It is the day of San Diego and I'm not ready. I have not packed. I have an audition to film. Just not ready. I'm tanned. You can tell. I have like weird spots. My chest needs a little bit more. My legs need a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that right now. But yeah. Also the hair. It didn't make that big of a difference. Oh, it did. It totally evened out the color. Love. So it's a little bit more darker, a little bit more chocolatey than like red. Definitely toned everything down. Love it. Gonna watch some vlogs, touch up my legs, and get the show on the road. In case you all are wondering how everything is going,
You look a lot more blonde in your movie, baby. That's alright. Let's just keep it groovy, baby.
okay. In case you all are wondering how everything's going, I hate my self-tan on my armpits. I like messed up.
That's not bad.
It feels bad to me. Anyways, I finished my audition and I'm still not packed. And it is 11 and we're leaving at 12. Can I do it? Can I pull a miracle? My computer's not charged.
Tell me where my file was in your books unboxed. BoxyCharm, I mean.
I don't know. And my computer's dead, so I can't even edit my audition.
Are you taking your laptop with you?
Yes. Because it's Vlogmas, baby. And I already skipped one day. I can't skip more. Probably gonna edit. This is probably gonna be the vlog actually that goes up today. Wow, we hit real time. I was doing really good at filming ahead. But lately, I was like, I don't have time for vlogging. It just wasn't the vibe. But
Sheila.
It's the vibe again. So time to
You want to play?
edit this audition and start packing. I have all my clothes right here on my chair, so it's like I'm not that unprepared, but I'm pretty unprepared. And I need to get my audition off this SD card, so toodles. Hello friends, we are finally on the road. I was ready on time by some miracle, but also I got motivated because Miguel told me that him and his sister had a bet that I wouldn't be ready on time, and I was like, no, I refuse. I will be ready on time. And I would like to say I was ready at 12. Miguel wasn't here at 12, but I was ready at 12 like we had agreed. We are on the road to San Diego now, and when we get there we're gonna get Oster's because it's my favorite taco place and I'm excited. Are you excited?
Very excited. Hungry.
Definitely. All right. It's really hot in here. Can we turn on the AC for a little bit? Me controlling his car, not even giving him a chance to do anything. Okay. Toodaloo. I would like you all to know that I am that person on road trips that has to pee all the time. That's me. And right now, I gotta pee. And it sucks because there's a lot of traffic, and so I'm putting us a little bit behind schedule. Oh my god, there's a Starbucks. But I need to go potty, so that's what's important. Me having to go potty. Land! Okay, just needed to share that with you all. Miguel's upset because I went to the gas station and I bought a Sprite because I feel car sick. And he's like, why do you feel car sick? And I was like, because your braking sucks. He goes, my braking does not suck. And I'm like, yes it does. I feel car sick, so evidently your braking sucks.
No, my braking's fine.
I swear he like sees the cars in front of us.
My braking is
stop,
smooth.
and he's still going in the last minute. He's like,
that's because I know I have space.
men. Anyways, I got Sprite, and then I got my favorite chippies, the Fritos barbecue twist. They're so yummy. And we're gonna go back on the road. Still got an hour to go. Fun stuff. Also, the foundation I bought at Sephora yesterday to be like my self tan shade did a pretty good job. Also ignore my hands. The wrist area looks kind of funny, but I did a pretty good job. So you can start driving. Are you okay?
No, I don't want the camera to fall.
Oh, I'll catch it. Don't worry. Anyways, we're gonna keep driving now. Miguel's annoyed. Look at him.
I want to be in San Diego already.
Okay, let's go. Friends, I forgot that people in San Diego don't know how to drive. This lady was literally looking at her planner. It's so bright. Was literally reading her planner on the freeway in bumper to bumper traffic where literally like at any second someone will brake suddenly, but she was reading her planner. Oh my gosh, I can't. How are you doing over there? Mr. doesn't know how to brake.
I do know how to brake. But it's good. We're almost there.
You know? Look at that! People don't know how to drive. Okay. I can't figure out the lighting on my camera. It's really irritating me.
Where does this go?
There we go.
Do we have to take the 5?
Huh? That's the 8. We have to stay on the freeway we're on. Anyways, we're almost to the hotel. 3 hours later, and I'm starving. But, yeah. Guys, this is so cute. And I got my little bottle of wine and some balloons. And this one called in and managed to get us a sweet. So it's pretty. When I tell you all that these duvets are the most comfy thing ever, this is my favorite hotel. I always stay here. It's just the best. So Miguel and I came prepped and ready for the weekend. It's my tequila of choice. I love Corralejo, it's so yummy. And then Miguel got this baby. The Hornitos? Is that how you say it? Hornitos? Yeah, we got some scorch McPalomas. So I'm just gonna put them in here. Is it gonna close? Oh, it did. Okay. Perfect.
I'll put my shoulder on.
We are stocked and ready to go. Ready?
Ready for shots.
Going to eat at one of my favorite places in SD. They have delicious seafood and the ceviche is delicious. Miguel left me, but we got our first order. We got some ceviche and some jarritos de tamarindo. But we got an octopus and he got an octopus taco and I got a shrimp and steak taco.
Get some ceviche.
Some ceviche.
And you can't forget our jarritos.
And here come the tacos. Yummy.
And I say,
I would like you all to know that I've broken up with Miguel like 3 times already on the way here and here. He is no longer my boyfriend, but he's just buying me drinks tonight. Yeah, that's how it works.
I'm not spending money? Alright, I guess.
Excuse me, sir. Make me a drink, please. Okay, thanks. Love you. Okay, bye. Hi, friends. I napped. That's what happened. We napped, and I'm now going to get ready. We have reservations at 9:30 at this Carousel Bar that we tried to go to during Labor Day weekend when we were here, but it literally opened up, I think, that month, so it was all like booked up and there wasn't any reservations, but there was. That's my dress for tonight. We're gonna change in this comfy robe so that we can wash our face and get ready. So let's do that with some editing magic. Perfect. We're gonna take off this makeup and don't want to put conditioner on my face and start over because it's just not cute. I forgot to set it with setting spray and it just exploded. This is the Dermalogica cleansing balm. I love it. Let me wash my face. Be right back. You're a king, a legend, the best boyfriend ever.
Drink a drink.
Put it right there. Thank you, besito. Okay, love you, bye.
Alright, line is up.
Alright, that is done. I feel like I have to clean my contacts out. Paloma, you put more tequila in it this time.
Yeah?
Yeah, but it's okay. I don't know if I've already, I feel like I filmed it, but I don't know if I ever edited my skincare routine. Anyways, I go in with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner. This was leaking, so I'm so scared. I haven't checked back there. And I just pop this all over the face. I feel like this has brightened the skin so much. And then I'll go in with, y'all already know, my Paula's Choice Vitamin C Booster. Just help get rid of acne scars. By the way, started nervous picking the other day again. But that's why we have this baby. To help assist her out. And finally, we're gonna moisturize, and this has been my saving grace right now during the winter. It is the best moisturizer if you are crusty and musty. If you have crusty skin in the winter, I feel like a lot of us do, this is a saving grace. I love it so much. Okay, the skin is prepped. It is glowy. We gotta prime it now. We're gonna use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. Ladies and gents of dry and oily skin. This stuff's amazing. So I went to Sephora yesterday, as I mentioned somewhere in one of these weekend vlogs, and I bought a self tanning shade of foundation because I just knew none of my foundations would match. And I've been wanting to try the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. First off, loved it. I nailed it on the freaking shade. Like, I mean, I nailed it. I'm very proud of myself. What is this? And I got the shade Cheesecake 250G. I'm gonna go in with the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury, which is probably now, like, it's perfect for my skin, but a little light. And I'm gonna use this Royal Langnickel complexion brush, which is a total dupe for that Real Techniques brush that has been kind of going viral on TikTok. So if you can't get that one because it's sold out everywhere, like I try to get it, this one will do the same job. It applied the foundation so pretty. I'm going with foundation now. Wow. You want to iron your shirt or your pants?
My pants. They're wrinkled. Yeah, make sure my zipper wasn't up.
Because it was a full view. So that Huda foundation doesn't work that great with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. At least on my nose. It like wasn't sticking. It kept like picking up the foundation when I would try to like go back over it. It was weird. And I'm blending out my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer with the Royal Langnickel foundation brush. Alright friends, I'm running a little behind, so I'm just gonna finish my makeup and I'll show you the end product. Okay, bye. Hi, editing Christy. I am so sorry for the quality. It's from my iPhone. Okay, bye. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me at all, but we are currently at a Carousel Bar. And we're sitting at the bar and it's rotating right now. It's moving really slowly. I didn't even notice it until he pointed it out to me.
Very weird.
It is very weird. But it's really cool. I will turn the camera around and show you all. How's your drink?
It's good.
It's good?
It's strong, but it's good.
He got a mezcal old fashioned. And then I got, what is it called? Tequila. That one. It's good. Tastes smoky. The correct term. I was saying at first that it tasted woody, and he's like, no, it's not woody, it's smoky.
It's smoking.